So the coronavirus pandemic has many of us on a disinfecting spree. For many surfaces, experts recommend bleach solution as one good defense against COVID-19. But bleach and other disinfectants may not be the best for your child's car seat, as car manufacturers are pretty specific in allowing only mild detergents on many car seat components. Consumer Reports has some alternatives.
Parents are following public health recommendations using bleach-based and other disinfectants to kill the coronavirus on surfaces around their house. Everything from countertops to cabinets. But one surface that should not be cleaned with those same harsh chemicals is a child's car seat.
When it comes to car seats, each component needs to be able to withstand high forces and repeated use in order to keep kids safe during a crash. So you don't want to use any cleaners or disinfectants that could compromise the seat's performance in any way.
So what should you use? To find out what you need, refer to your car seat safety manual. There you will find washing and drying instructions that are specific to not only your car seat model, but for each of the seat's components. If you no longer have your manual, many offer an online version, or you can get a replacement from the manufacturer's customer service. Most manufacturers say it's okay to machine wash and air dry the car seat cover, but you should never put the harness in the washing machine. Follow the instructions to clean the harness by hand, using a mild soap and water mixture. Plastic components can also be wiped down with mild soap and water as well. If you have already cleaned your car seat incorrectly, reach out to its manufacturer for replacement covers and parts.
So with all of us stuck at home with our kids and not traveling anywhere, it really is the perfect time to clean our kids' car seat. And it's also a great opportunity to make sure that your child's car seat still fits them properly. So review the height and weight guidelines and make the appropriate adjustments necessary.
You can visit Consumer Reports for a car seat installation checklist so you know your child is safe.
Great tips there. Another item in your home you should be careful when cleaning: your bike helmet. Cleaning your bike helmet with harsh chemicals like ammonia or bleach can degrade the materials and possibly its performance.